So I have two absolute favorite makeups, and Sorme is one of them. I've been using Sorme, oh my gosh, since probably 1996. I love Sorme. I actually call it makeup for dummies because back in 1996, I was clueless and I happened to walk into the Sorme store and the lady behind the counter was like, yeah, just put this here and this here, and that was it. And I was like, sold, love it. So this is the blush from Sorme. So when I found out that they had a partnership I could join, oh my God, I was so excited because I freaking love Sorme. And this is the color that I've been using for years. It's called Mesh. It's real light. I started out with a bit of contour and then I put the mesh, this mesh blush on top. And yeah, so that's it. It's really easy, really nice. They've got some really nice colors. It is a mineral blush, so it's got botanicals in it as well. So it's healthy, it's botanical infused. It gives your skin kind of like that natural radiance, natural glow. And it's actually, I don't know, what would you call it? Like MAC makeup is the other one I use a lot for studio. It's studio makeup. So you can use it in studio under lighting like I have right now. So again, thank you. Love Sorme.